P4O10. You can see very clearly POP linkages. Each oxygen has two lone pairs. Phosphorus is not having any lone pair. It is white crystalline compound with garlic water and it sublimes on heating. Okay, it doesn't have actually garlic water. The garlic water is of this P4O6. You can see phosphorus is also having lone pair over here. This is actually having garlic water and it is white sea solid. Now see everyone, this P4O10, this has very strong affinity for water. If you react it with cold water, then it will form metaphosphoric acid. You can see metaphosphoric acid, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +5. It is being deliquescent in nature. Deliquescent means which absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and becomes bad, means gets dissolved in that. Actually, metaphosphoric acid exists in polymeric form. This is its trimeric form. Now come back to the P2O5, that is P4O10. If you treat it with excess of water, that you can say hot water, boiling water, then definitely it is going to form phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. You can see very clearly this H3PO4. Is it visible to all of you? Yes. Orthophosphoric acid. This is being transparent crystalline solid, deliquescent in nature. Now I hope this is clear to all of you that this P4O10 that has high affinity for water. Let me show you the complete thing of it. If I show you that this is your P4O10, when it reacts with 2 moles of water, it forms metaphosphoric acid, which on reaction with 2 moles of water forms pyrophosphoric acid, and that finally on reaction with 2 moles of water forms orthophosphoric acid. Can you see very clearly? That means P4O10 on reaction with 6 moles of water forms, yes, orthophosphoric acid. Now see my dear students, this orthophosphoric acid, if you react, simply if you heat it 600 degrees Celsius, that is very high temperature, it will form metaphosphoric acid. Meta means directly if you heat orthophosphoric acid. But if you take 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid, then at 250 degrees Celsius, you will get pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. You can see phosphorus is linked with 4 oxygen and hydrogen. That means its basicity is 4. And still the oxidation state is +5. That's why its name is ic. Ic word is used when the oxidation state is either 5 or +4. Otherwise, lower oxidation state we have to use us. Now, my dear students, remember that if you remove one oxygen from pyro, it will become hypo. You can see this H4P2O6 is hypo. You can see very clearly. And if you add one oxygen to pyro, you will get pyroxy. That is, peroxy means peroxide linkage, right? Now, come back to this orthophosphoric acid. If you remove one oxygen from orthophosphoric acid, you will get orthophosphorus acid. This is phosphorus acid. Its nickname is phosphonic acid. Phosphonic. Its oxidation state is +3. That's why it is us. If you remove one oxygen from it, you will get phosphinic acid. This is phosphinic acid, also known as hypo, because it is having less oxygen. That's why its name is hypo. You can see very clearly. Now my dear students, whenever phosphorus is attached with hydrogens, direct hydrogens, that means phosphorus के साथ लगा हुआ direct hydrogen is indicating its reducing nature. That means it can undergo oxidation. This as well as this both are strong reducing agents. That means they can disproportionate. They can undergo oxidation because they have lower oxidation state, because phosphorus oxidation state maximum is +5 and minimum is -3. So when you heat this phosphinic acid, Definitely, it will undergo disproportionation to give maximum and minimum oxidation state. Its minimum oxidation state is -3. That means phosphine. This phosphine has rotten fish smell. Phosphine, vortex rings. अगर समुद्र में डाला जाए इसको कैल्शियम कार्बाइड के साथ, इट इज़ यूज्ड एज होल सिग्नल. क्यों? vortex ring, स्मोक स्क्रीन, फायर, दोनों चीज़ें मतलब जलता हुआ स्मोक स्क्रीन फायर प्रोड्यूस करता हुआ जाता है तो सिग्नल होता है. और देखिए PH3 बना और phosphoric acid. That means phosphoric acid is having +5 oxidation state and PH3 is having -3. Now same is over here. If you heat this phosphorus acid, it will also give you vortex ring phosphine gas. This is your phosphine gas, and it will give you orthophosphoric acid. Both on heating will undergo disproportionation. You can see very clearly H3PO2 disproportionate to give H3PO4 and PH3, and this also disproportionate at 200 degrees Celsius to get phosphine and H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. You can see very clearly. So that is the main thing, that orthophosphoric acid, it is used as कीटनाशक, पेस्टिसाइड. तो किसानों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. ओके, एक और चीज़ है, इफ़ यू टेक इक्विमोलर मिक्सचर ऑफ, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग गिवन इन JDL. इफ यू यूज इक्विमोलर HPO3 and H3PO4, then at only 100 degrees Celsius you will get pyrophosphoric acid. Now my dear students, let me tell you, let me show you the reducing properties. No need to cram these are important things. H3PO2 on reaction with water will give you H3PO4. Once again you are getting orthophosphoric acid, and 4 moles of hydrogen will do the reduction of silver nitrate. That means Argentus will change into Ag. Same here, mercury plus ion will change into mercury, and same here copper sulfate will change to copper. So H3PO2 on reaction with water gives hydrogen, that is indicating its reducing nature. You can see there are also, these are the acids with oxidation state, and this you know very well. Some more oxyacids of phosphorus, pp linkages I am showing you over here. And now finally let's move. ये पानी का प्यासा होता है, बड़े बड़े पानी के प्यासों का पानी पी जाता है. देखिए H2SO4 का पानी पी के SO3 बना दिया इसने, HNO3 का पानी पी के इसने N2O5 बना दिया इसने, N2O5 विजिबल, हाँ विजिबल है देखिए. और एसिटिक एसिड का पानी निकाला तो एनहाइड्राइड बना दिया, और एमाइड का पानी निकाला तो क्या बना देगा? साइनाइड, CH3CN. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट चार्ट यू कैन सी. और यू कैन टेक, इफ यू वांट टू टेक द पिक, यू कैन टेक pick of it, right? Or if you want to take half of pick, you can take half pick of this, like this over here. Let me show you very clearly. Yeah, now see, I hope it is very clearly to all of you. It's very clear, visible. Now see, it's like a scanning. I am doing the scan of it, right? So that this time it must be visible to all of you, so that you can see it properly. Okay, 17 years old chart. I hope this is clear, right? Okay, bye beta. I hope it will help you.